This is the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, one of the world's most luxurious cars. But every masterpiece begins with nothing more than raw steel. Production begins with giant automotive-grade steel coils. Powerful robotic cranes move each coil with extreme precision before it enters the first stage of manufacturing. A 6,000-ton stamping press shapes every body panel with incredible force. In just seconds, a flat sheet of steel becomes the first piece of the Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Hundreds of synchronized robots assemble the entire body with perfect precision. Thousands of welds are completed in minutes, creating the strong safety structure of the Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Before painting begins, AI-powered laser scanners inspect every millimeter of the body. Even the smallest imperfection is detected to ensure Mercedes-Benz precision standards are met. Next, the entire body is submerged in a protective anti-corrosion coating. This invisible layer helps protect the Mercedes-Benz S-Class from rust for many years of driving. Robotic paint systems apply a perfectly even primer coat. This layer creates a flawless surface, preparing the body for its final luxury paint finish. Now the signature metallic black finish is applied. Multiple ultra-thin layers create the deep gloss and premium shine that make the Mercedes-Benz S-Class instantly recognizable. This is the most important stage of production. The painted body and the chassis come together in perfect alignment, transforming hundreds of separate parts into one complete. Now the luxury comes to life. Premium leather seats, handcrafted interior panels, and advanced digital of the most luxurious driving environments in the world. Precision robots install the windshield and panoramic roof with millimeter accuracy. Every glass panel is perfect lined to ensure maximum safety, strength, and a whisper-quiet cabin. Finally, the premium alloy wheels are installed using intelligent robotic tools. Every bolt is tightened to the exact factory specification before leaving the factory, every Mercedes-Benz S-Class undergoes a complete AI quality inspection. Every panel, every surface, and every system is checked to meet Mercedes luxury standards. Every Mercedes-Benz S-Class is road tested before delivery. Engineers carefully evaluate acceleration, braking, steering, to ensure every vehicle performs exactly as designed. After passing every inspection, the Mercedes-Benz S-Class receives its final polish. Now it's ready to leave the factory and begin its journey to customers around the world. With production complete, every Mercedes-Benz S-Class is carefully prepared for global delivery. Its journey now begins from the factory to customers around the world. After an incredible journey through the factory, the Mercedes-Benz S-Class finally reaches the showroom, ready to welcome its very first owner.
From raw steel to a masterpiece of luxury and engineering, this is how the Mercedes-Benz S-Class is made. Subscribe for more incredible factory documentaries.